I'm Morgan Davis, CEO and co-founder of MarketDial. In a prior life, I was a management consultant. The job of a management consultant basically consists of doing a lot of hard work and analysis around a really challenging problem for a client, and then giving them a set of hypotheses or ways that we think that they can fix that. The most challenging part, though, is for that client to pick those up and truly implement them and understand the impact of that. A lot of times with our clients, I felt we weren't closing that loop with them or for them. What we gave them was a set of hypotheses. The way that you turn that hypothesis into an answer is by running a scientifically sound A/B test. The challenge of brick and mortar businesses is running this analysis is very difficult. The clients of our consulting work had really three options to choose from after we gave them our analysis. It was implement it without thinking too much more about it, ignore it completely, just shelf all of the work that we did, or they could run a pilot on their own. And oftentimes they did that, but found that the rigor behind it was lacking. After having the kernel of the idea for MarketDial, I talked to as many people as possible who worked in retail about how they were solving this pain. What I found was there was really three ways that they went about it. First was they just didn't test their initiatives. The second was they were trying to use some homespun internal modeling, or they had a data scientist or statistician who was trying to tackle this. Or third was they used a complicated, expensive, and clunky piece of software. You needed a data scientist or statistician on staff to even be able to use it. Even if you had those people, you still needed a lot of support from the vendor to execute an accurate test. And both of those things led to a very high cost of ownership. And so the ROI equation was very difficult to justify for these retailers. From what we learned in talking to these retailers, we set out to build MarketDial as the easiest, fastest, and most accurate way to execute a test. At the lowest level, MarketDial enables analysts to design and execute A/B tests in the quickest way possible. At a more senior level, what it allows is those people to look across tests, departments, and the entire organization and allocate capital efficiently. At MarketDial, we help you bring online quality rigor to your offline testing.